Get ready, boys! Because it's about to turn to 6, and just know, Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! For the rest of this, remember, never give up in your dreams, and never give up on just memorize that in your head, because in your mouth, because you see another creator who is legit have a little bit of likes and subscribers. Say that to the comments of the lowest views and the highest views. And do that so the other creators who are more can actually realize you can achieve what you were trying to do. And bye.